Introducing FabSim3, Webmo Toolkit component enabling automated execution of verification, validation, and uncertainty quantification patterns for complex single and multi-scale applications. FabSim3 aims to automate and simplify a range of computational activities by saving time, automating frequently used patterns in computational research, providing quick one-liners to use patterns or composite ones, preventing double work by curating data automatically, making software for the user developer, not the end user. Full installation, application, and execution documentation of FabSim3 available at fabsim3.readthedocs.io. To install FabSim3 on Mac OS, follow the following steps. Step 1. Git clone FabSim3 repository into a directory of your choice. Step 2. Go to your FabSim3 directory, automatically install all dependencies, and configure YML files by running configure_fabsim.py command. After installing and configuring, Step 3. Run fab-l to list all available commands. To install FabSim3 on Linux, follow the following steps. Step 1. Git clone FabSim3 repository into a directory of your choice. Step 2. Go to your FabSim3 directory, automatically install all dependencies, and configure YML files by running configure_fabsim.py command. Step 3. Run fab-l or FabSim-l to list all available commands and check whether FabSim3 is installed and ready for execution.